Hope una don dey ready for my party. Hey. Where this music dey? Hello everyone. I thought I can say this video. Where for the play?
Video here this morning because it was here. I was doing makeup when my eye pencil got finished. Understand? And someone said,
I go there for where music for the play.
Tell me what you want, okay? All the way from Holland. I got this eye pencil replaced.
Oh God!
It's me. Such a different Scott.
Jesus Christ!
That's my name on it and my address on it.
There be one sleep with this brother where they sing so. Hey! I bet waiting be this brother and where they sing because I go they look for this music for YouTube. I know they sing. I don't know how my phone start to they play and just now. I don't feel know where to offer. But you we take one we for me. Thank you. Lady Joa, na really see something oh. See, I come off my phone. I offer because he make a voice loud way. Jesus, our Thanksgiving service today. Oh God, no evil souls. They can never be involved in our celebration. Na gentle diamond be ne. Okay, oh yeah, man. Hey, that person will comment that to just Alpha. You know every. I mean, small magician where they YouTube, where they Facebook. Appear. I don't know. Some women are just born to they do small this thing, anything by thing. They call the brother late night. Now that brother will come shot for her. Hey! Oh, Baba! My lady, boy, they told her that they concern. If I tell you where I tell you, only at it, Ukbe can be easy. Zikbe can fly. I know what. You are right. Ever since then, I'm moving around my fire does be. What will I make character? Because who am I? Okay, wait, my people. I'm gonna follow me sing this one again. I don't know where that place going. that tracksuit that you wear on the day to do my fair video 1K on YouTube before posting it to you. Have sense, so because life is too short, especially for liar like you. What is going on? Abracadabra, brocotopro. Okay, my sister, what do you say? Make I type gentle diamond. Hell, if na him, I'll really appeal. No be him. Which name it take the YouTube? Okay, now be this. Now be this. Hey! Eh? Eh?
Yeah, they call me gentle.
Hello? Una not dey hear the music? No. No, I just dey dance, dey comot for there. I wear singlet, I just dey. No. Na singlet I dey clean the dance. Okay. I don't make it though. No, I dey clean too. I wear clothes. It's 4 o'clock, guys. Don't forget to I'm doing Astor today. Astor. I'll add and join my Thanksgiving service. Astor. Oh yeah. On a quick go quick. Let's come and dance as the winner. When the evil people plan fair for your life, you rejoice. Proving all their lies. Wow. My people, more than they live true life. When you live in a true life, you have no time to be selenium to defend yourself. You don't have time to, since just believe it. Okay, so get ready, guys. My house tour tonight. Yeah, my lady, yeah. This music, if you know the year, Bini, the music say, you where they look for my downfall, now you go fair for. You where say, if I don't fall, you no go leave me for waste. He say, now you go fair for. He say, you where they look for my death, now you go fair die. You know, you where one spoil me to those where go bless me. He say, now you go be the rotten mago. The maggots. If men and women see maggot, they go wrong. Even old papi says sometimes that they fear maggot, they must use leg, take machine. You know, they see you, they carry maggot with hand. Come like and lie. If you even use hand touch and you go wash your hand. And so some people go become. Okay, my lovely people. So today, get ready. Come and see my blessed home. My blessed home. Home where if somebody enter, he must reach your own house. Go they try to do your own. I know some people fine pass my own, but you see this my own. When you go see her today, you know say blessing day here. Now yeah, for they train all this my golden children, children. Omonoma gumeje Sokoto, omonoma gumeje Calabar, omoni children where I know they enter bicycle go they fight their teacher. I no get reason. I don't get easy to go my children's school, go they defend. No. Responsible children to the core. I don't need to come social media, come they you not even see you know say something way good. Don't be person must counselor. Hey, that's how it be. If you say if you see them, if you need any that they no come. No matter it's good to be a good mother from day one. It's good to be cooking for children from day one. I am a living witness. So if I were not a good mother from day one, not be as this one that they talk there for the talk. If they become your say the children here make the children go shopping for back. The children be like akwasa. You feel count the skeleton where they are belly. Not be waiting at the top, so I go the talk. But because I be responsible mother right from day one when I never even come social media. Not be because of social media can start to the cook. Right from time they fair tell and say African food we sabi cook for this house. My children, when they eat Africa food, days someday they know the evil test. Boy, you know, like until they tell now. I go cook children food. They go make toko for children. I go cook my husband food. Now Africa food. You know they eat spaghetti. I go cook you. Go make toko. Not be social media make me come they cook for husband though. Hey, not be social media make me they cook for children. Oh, wow. Not be social media make me they buy things for my children. Hey, Shebe to do now they can't see our house. You will come and see my son Cassian. Now I hope so. You will come and see, say, I don't need social media to know how to garnish it. okay? And you will see clothes where they wear for his house. You no jump oh. I know be all those social media people with their children, they wear jumper for his ass, come wear a big jacket for us. Hey, I know they buy 3-year jacket and one boom for my children. Hey, Monica. Emi bugbe, na mi mami, emi bugbe, when you get children, when not they disgrace you for your area, when not they disgrace you for school, when not they disgrace you for live video. Hey, some people say na bribe, so say na bribe because waiting. They no go fit do. They don't know how you take the do. They will give a name. Eh? If he easy, why foul not the how they take the talk? Why foul not the peace? If he easy to bribe children, say children, please take. Why foul not the peace? Why some people not they bribe their own? Who like disgrace? Who like shame? For pikin to shame and disgrace you, you not go bribe her. If not so, it can't be. Hence, you can't be say you don't train children. They're not good. Hence, you know say to bribe they work. You go they bribe. Oh, how come they'll still disgrace you? So people wait there. If you get children where you feel bribe, they not disgrace you. I bet do one. Disgrace not good. But the best advice from Mommy Monica. Take good care of your children. Be good family. You don't need to bribe them. Because if you bribe them, before we go finish 4-hour, 3-hour live video, when me they do, the bribing go finish because there be children. When you bribe them, if they quit expire. But if you train them like Monica children, you don't need to bribe. You go do your 4 hours, you not go yek making. Because their room be like children room, that they enjoy their room. Their room not be adult rented room, oh. Their room not be room where can be room for commute. You understand? Their room na room. Their room not just be like hotel room, bote. One bed, one cast finish. Nothing where pikin go take play. Nothing where pikin go look. No television. Mama no get television for parlor, not to talk of children room. Children go they disturb you. And when you go they use money, so be stealing. Go and buy this. Go and buy Doda Kebab. Go and buy Madonna. Go and buy pizza. You not go see money to take do anything better for children. Now John Pay that they go they wear for his house. John Pay faded trash shoot of 4 years ago, they go they wear and they go. Now it's us wear now. Now it's us wear because when you finish all your money with bye. When you know they cook, now so you go they see. But me, Monica, una know I they cook. For my Instagram people, sometimes they see me. I they cook. I feel cook more today now. Keep on inside free go there. Anybody can take. I'll cook fried rice. I'll cook jollof. I'll cook pasta. No Netherlands food. We are not sabi cook. Netherlands food, you know they cook and put for fridge. Now fresh. So I use fresh food. Taste where my children fresh food. Now they cook. Every day I go to supermarket, buy fresh food. Vegetable. Buy chicken breasts. Go about they cook. Come use and take cook fresh food for my children. Cook and wash plate, pot, come on for ground. Because you don't need to cook it tomorrow you want me. No. Just cook it nature's nicely. Okay. There is a reason some people, children, go rich person out. They go, they cry, they don't want to go. Reason they. But their mother is a liar. They can never say the truth. But there is a reason. Because children cannot be bribed. Because children cannot lie. Any house where children for feel like picking, any house where children enjoy better bed, any house where children for see better breeze, any house where picking for eat for dining table like picking, any house where picking for day inside bed wake up. If you want look television for Saturday, go enjoy itself. If you want go back at that picking must cry. He must cry. Not be some house where you go. Your children go, they say, when are we going? I want to go to my house. There is nothing to do here. Oh, when I go limodene, oh, now you go tire. Yeme. Lady, don't mention. We know who is. We don't make sure we are. I'm not a motivational speaker. I'm not allowed to tell you guys what you can benefit. You know, one advantage of taking good care of your children, being a responsible mom, is that should the case you go follow bad dead, follow road. Should the case evil child where they for throw away for evil forest, but they not throw away for evil forest. Have you big bonnet give me cool they can't carry. Bini, you not go see if they get the kind women where some Bini men, they still they talk and now say Bini men not good. Some Bini men like they not go carry any no cool. And in a fifth why you evil forest, evil child, you throw them in evil forest. Hello? Okay. Where's it? Okay. Una they understand, so my lovely people. Evil child. Okay, I will. Evil children, my people. Mona they throw away them for Sabisa forest. Because if evil child right from small pikin when no kui waka, where they plan to poison the whole of his sisters. Hey God, such pikin carry and go throw away for river for Bini. All those pikin when not the kui waka, we use 7 years they sit down for ground, they suck hand, we make their man teeth because of they suck hand for 7 years. So bad thing go they follow their head. People where they senior go, they go school, they grant, they are let make not let them take walk. Small pikin where don't start to they plot evil against papa, mama, everybody. Small pikin where grow up for Africa. You know they greet the papa, you know talk to the papa, you know they do any, you don't reach abroad. Born first pikin before he finally make settlement with the father. That kind of pikin, if you not get them, you not throw them for evil forest because now they use them cause wahala for this world. Those are evil children. That's why they will grow to become evil friend. They will be evil wife. They will be evil mother. If they see carry a husband, they go turn into bue. Husband go they fear them. Husband go they poor for you. They go they turn husband. Follow them. See, they go use that to look husband like that. They go they flirt on top of husband. They go they fuck on top of husband. That's what those type of women, they go fuck all the old advertiser. All the old small boys where they sing. Oh, mama, bet me play music. They go fuck all of the finish for night. All those evil children, mona they throw away them. May they not come to evil wife, evil mother, evil friend, evil people, evil colleague, evil neighbor. Anywhere where they go, person will say, Udiji. If you not born evil children, mona they throw away them for evil forest. Person was supposed to day evil forest. Now go they cry, suhu. Una con carry on, una confident, una con Jesus. Kai. Today now, evil child supposed to dey evil for it. Now, evil child go come do makeup. People say, see you might be. Evil. If you see God, as God faithfully, God give evil child, this type of evil children, God give them picking. What did they turn into? Ayo yo wa. Psychologically for our Netherlands where we there. So if your pikin we don't pass baby, still the peace for her, they'll tell you say there is problem in that home. When papa and mama, papa know they talk. You know when evil, when you use your evil power, take cash your man. All men go say you know, all women go say you know. Everywhere where you go, people go wrong. Leave that person. They if that kind of woman, catch man. He go catch and finish. If he go catch the man finish, the man go come they do you want me to go and wash plate? Okay, I want to go and wash plate. Do you want me to make tea for you? Okay, I want to go and make tea for you. Do you want me to go and fetch water? Okay, I want to go and fetch water. What do you want me to do? Do you want me to come and take picture? Okay, I want to go. Do you want me to come and tell your fans that I'm happy with you? Okay, I will come and do it. The day where that kind man go converse, when I don't know how house they be. Hik boy. Anyamu bike eburu burukuru anya isu kurukango agwo raganga. Wait till na got to say when evil mother go boom, children are good from God. That's why when evil mother born children, when they reach another good family house, they go behave normal. But when they reach evil mother hand, they will behave like what you don't know. Hello. Good afternoon. What it be done? Okay, you know what it go happen. Just where the Instagram, me I finish. I'll get back to you. You're welcome. You understand? That's why evil child when no kui waka, evil child where they ground for 7 years, they suck hand. And when begin to suck hand, it teach him out, he go come weird the lady. And you know say when begin they distress. When pikin dey small pikin distress, frustration, calamity, wetin do him leg, he no fit waka, nobody know. He go come do man like this, dogoro, oh dogoro dey twerk, people, junior ones go come dress, they go school, go dey look before they go come. You know. His mama said, go wash plate. Umi no gaya u. Agboma gwedia. Ehi ma guarie. Umi no gaya u. Uweje. Uno vae. Uno this. Uno that. You know that kind of small pikin. You go back here. Go cry. Go the plan. If I don't get poison, I'll just poison all of them. Evil children, man, they throw away them because if they turn to wife, they go put that evil on top of husband. They go say husband message, kukuruku, 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 kukuruku. Because they're supposed to do evil for it. They do ku. That's why. They know if they do one thing, they'll do this, they'll do cassava, they'll do that, they'll do that, they'll do that. Hey, see Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Now wow. May I check my nyash? Jesus. Chineke. Hey, I dey always talk. We say, no man, when they do bad thing, what bekano 7 say where? Jesus. Chineke. Oh, Dima. Hey. That's why those children go outside, they cry. I want to go back. I want to go to auntie. I want to go to auntie. I beg you, shut up. I buy you this. No, I want to go to auntie. Because, where auntie? I'm a better bono. No smart love. I'm in love. I'm in vae. I thought you went to the table. I have bon. I treated more. And more your egg. No, take it. More you have bon. Ah, Jesus. Evil wife, not good though. Kukuruku children. Put them for forest, Abisa forest. Mona not the breastfeed kukuruku children because they will turn to kukuruku wife. Ha! You go the hear them they talk. Chineke, you say Chineke. Chineke, na person that they shook penis so this one toto. That person don't die. Now person follow this one do friend. Mona look me oh. Thank God for my life oh. Thank God for my life oh. And in the memorial. Kukuruku where they swear children not fit catch my children. Kukuruku where they swear wife not fit swear me. Kukuruku where they swear home, swear everywhere where you go. Call police or everybody where come across. Enough it. It try because I be good mother, I be good wife, I be good neighbor, I be good everywhere where I go. They not fit. Make una dey good though. Mona dey take care of una children well. Mona dey cook better food for them. Make una dey do as una rich. Mona no dey do more than una self. Make una no dey fuck for inside telephone. 2 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Una still dey fuck people for inside telephone because of 50. Make una dey work oh. If you dey work, you know, man, no, if you use 50 euro, take fuck you. He they crazy, they mad. Because you not go they mind all those type of things. Person no, if you use material things, they fuck you up and down. Una yes, so go work is better. Be a cleaner is better than be a fucker for midnight. Fucky midnight. Be a cleaner for daytime. If you dey come back from work, follow supermarket, buy your children food, come house, come cook more than for table. Get time for your children. Okay? Evil children, evil wife, evil pikin, one at the bone. Then if they grow up, they will turn to evil wife. They will turn to evil soul. They will turn to evil friend. Everywhere where they go, na evil. If you associate with them, your name go spoil. You not gonna know what you they do. They use their own till they spoil your own. They know they feel stand alone. They always they look for person where they want carry. I don't know. Make una dey strong go beneath people. Me I dey strong. Una don't see now. If I not dey strong, I take bene. Oh. I walk bene to you. They enter my husband. They enter my children. They enter my own life. They enter everywhere. Go reach Africa safe. Not do anything. If you do, Africa people. Now so they photon you. Make una dey careful. Mona make sure so una get sense so. Because if they near your market, they go kill and down. If they near your platform, they go kill and down. If they follow you do free, people go come, they give you name. Mona dey careful. Evil child when no quick waka. Where be one poison the whole family make they die. Make una dey careful that evil thing that are here. That back here wait for the sleep, cry, sleep, come open mouth, they make if mama go pour water for bucket, go pour on top of it. Ooh, because you know what waka. You know how African parents, how they abusive if they get this type of strange children. Instead of them to throw away strange children, where he let make he no one green waka. He pull hand for man there, Nobody know what he dey inside in mind. Everybody go they sleep, go hide for back of a door. He go they talk. Mama will see. You want swallow us? Where do you they talk? This evil child. Where do you they talk? Here, die. You know that. You know that kind of pikin. Make una dey run. Mona run. So today is celebration time. Celebration time. Celebration time. Celebration time. I don't live for this neighborhood now for 4 years. They ever call police on me one day. They don't do me nothing one day. Except the day where I carry evil woman enter house. Everywhere start to they make fly. Can't really they fly for only she now fly they walk. Some kind thing a sign. Fly can they kill only she. The rest people no see fly. Only where she they fly. Fly go enter a leg. Fly go enter a nose. Fly go they fly for long. I say wait till they your clothes. You they get period. Why I be they see your door. I be na your door. Wait, why they call they follow you? Because if God was telling me something, there is evil, you are carrying evil to enter your house. The thing where they pursue evil child may not come enter your house. He never take. Really, never don't call police because of noise. Because of evil mother, they take care of evil children. Those children head no come correct. Those children head for Netherlands no say na evil. But if you tell Netherlands say why 12 years 13 years pikin go dey peace 14 years go dey peace, they'll say psychologically the child is having psychological problem. The child is not comfortable at home. There is too much aggressiveness at home. There is evil roaming about. There is fly, black fly, following them everywhere they go. Fly, follow them. Hey, Chineke! Evil wife. Evil wife, now you go there. Leave her. Now your husband. Make I spoil her. Evil wife. Oh. If you marry evil child as a wife, you not go meet up. You not go meet up like your mates. You not go meet up. You go degiyeke. You not go meet up from fire to fry pan. I go be. From fire to fry pan. So far, manage. You will go back to your life again. Imagine. You will feel the fickle for your heart because fear not let you eat. Again, after how many years? Instead of me, you go from, you will constantly start again that kind of life of management, or manage not to go to restaurant, manage not to home eater, manage not to have money to furnish the house. All the house is bala bala. Management has started again. Hell! Father, this my son, J-Bobo, one of the universe. You will never marry to evil woman. Evil young girl will never know you. And your eyes will never sight any evil child. In the name of Jesus. Any woman, when not they make man progress. Any woman, when not they make man happy. Because my husband complain to you, but your husband, they cry, they go. If they cry, they go. If they complain to everybody, they go. Nobody fear, they let her talk. Because when you have a evil person, you go see and you say, fear, no, let me talk to this one. That's why people go see their head. People fear not go let them talk to them. Because there is evil there. People don't want to carry their evil. Father, may I not be attracted to evil woman ever again in the name of Jesus. Every evil child we're supposed to be evil forests where their mama refused to throw away for inside river. May I not be afraid today again. Any person, any evil child where their own don't spoil for spiritual world, their own don't spoil before they grow up, their own don't spoil because of too much adultery, fornication, and fucky all the days of their life. May they not come and use it for me in the name of Jesus. May my son not be attracted to such wife that will not make man progress, wife that cannot make a man to say, this is what I have achieved for myself for this abroad. Men and women come this abroad. Who no girl and go still get smart, who no fit do for papa go still do for himself. Baba, any woman when my pikin go put hand 22 years, my pikin no go fit talk with him using hand to do. I reject it in the name of Jesus. I reject it in the name of Jesus. Any woman will go born radical children for my son. I reject it in the name of Jesus. Any woman will go born fatty children, radical children, Yoseba children will patayao. Children where you know if go use visit person. Children will be destroyer. Children will go destroy their things. Children will they destroy television after 3 weeks. I reject them as grandchildren. In the name of Jesus. I reject evil children born by evil mother. In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. Children where they beat neighbor. Children where their name they record for police station. I reject it in the name of Jesus. I reject it. They will never be attracted to my home again. Not by Facebook, not by working place, not by anywhere. In the name of Jesus, not by television. I reject it. Evil friendship, evil admirer. Pack your load and go. Shandala kataba. Any evil friend, where they do man, where they do woman, I reject it in the name of Jesus. Who is calling? Oh, I'm not facing. Not facing. Oh. Thank you, everyone. See you all by 4 o'clock from Monica Ambrose Family Channel. I see you all there, my lovely people. Please come with your testimony, with your Thanksgiving song. Come and rejoice with us. Come and thank God for my life. I don't know why He loved me so much that He delivered me from evil relationship. I don't know why God loved me so much that He delivered me from every of her trap, everything that she was doing for me to fall, for me to be disgraced, for me to shame. Come and rejoice with me. Ah, God, thank you. Woo! Oh, be this one, me, I see. Thank God, saying you even say, can you imagine that? Okay. Can you imagine that? Not worry. Today for afternoon. We not be people where they shop our sheets. No, we are talk and do. If we say that here we stand, put here we stand. We know they from here. I not give her. He want borrow. He not test her. I not call police. If you are a responsible person, you will call your friend for his house. Hey, if I deal with you, if you not got the very yourself, I'll kill you. I'll bring God the proof. We know they take friend pictures to God save her. Bring her come on 100 years. We know the lie. We know the lie. Oh. Ooh. Social media. If you get problem with your husband, they look who you want to tell. They look. Maybe you not come go tell some people where go come help you. Come call police. Because you don't fair do it before. You understand? They said the woman, your husband not good. The woman no na mumu, you know guys, and the woman don't born 7 to be 8 pikin. Husband not good, he don't born, they shine, better person. The husband go home with his wife, he carry 6 children, be 7 children, go home, he buy ticket. The one where married to the original better husband. Undam you get here. Woohoo! Woohoo! By their word we shall know them, by their fruit we shall know them. Thank you, my people. See you. Bye.